My name is Capable, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I filmed 2 music videos with no film crew and just working with what I had. And thanks to my batch filming, I was able to film my main scenes in 24 hours. And if I can do it, so can you!
You know, I believe that self-love is very important.
It all started on my birthday trip to Cape Town. When I brainstormed the concept for the When I Get There music video, I wanted the intro to be at a beach. And the hotel that we stayed at had access to a gorgeous beach. So I took my ring light and my tripod and off we went to film. And 1 week later, we are off to film the rest of the music video, plus another one later on. I chose to film at a nature preserve because 1, it's free, you know. I went on a weekday because I knew there wouldn't be anyone there, which is a huge advantage for me because I also went in the morning because I didn't want the harsh sunlight to affect the visuals. And I also didn't want to faint from like the heat since I was also dancing. I utilized the free things that nature had to offer and not rely on fancy equipment to get my message across. And now we are off to film the music video for Accept Me. Now, with Accept Me, did a lot of batch filming in the house months prior to me filming. And all I used was LED Christmas lights, literally.
2 hours later.
Also, because it went well with my concept. So, I'd say look into your theme and concept and see what are the things that you already have that can help bring your vision to life. Since Accept Me is an EDM song, I wanted to utilize a gravel road because I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. I just thought it would just go well with like honestly, because I honestly don't know. I thought, I don't know, when I just visualized it, I just thought this would be nice if I did like the choreography and stuff on a gravel road, and the railway line was actually a plus because I was able to film some more scenes there, which yeah.
You know I'll always keep on coming back to you, back to you, back to you. Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you, back to you, back to you.
If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for some different types of content every week. We don't stick to the same videos here. I get bored easily.